Click on the link below to get price. The ZAFRO Commercial Dehumidifier has proven to be a game changer for anyone dealing with high humidity levels in crawl spaces, basements, or large commercial areas. With a powerful capacity to remove up to 190 pints of moisture per day, this unit addresses dampness effectively, ensuring a healthier environment. One of the standout features of the ZAFRO dehumidifier is its robust performance. The 190 pint extraction capacity means it can handle even the most challenging humidity issues. For homeowners or businesses dealing with severe moisture problems, this dehumidifier becomes an essential tool rather than just an appliance. Its ability to function efficiently in temperatures as low as 41 degrees Fahrenheit makes it especially suitable for cooler climates. The design of the ZAFRO dehumidifier is also commendable. It features a built-in drain hose, which allows for continuous drainage without the need for frequent manual intervention. This is particularly useful in crawl spaces or basements where accessing the dehumidifier can be cumbersome. The 60-inch drain hose is long enough to reach most drainage systems, eliminating the hassle of emptying a reservoir manually. In terms of usability, the digital control panel is user-friendly, allowing you to set humidity levels easily, choose fan speeds, and monitor real-time humidity. The unit operates quietly, which is a significant advantage if it's placed in living areas or workspaces. The built-in auto restart function is another excellent feature that ensures the unit resumes operation after a power outage. However, while the ZAFRO is highly effective, it is somewhat bulky and may require sufficient space for installation. Additionally, the weight can make it less portable than smaller models. Nonetheless, its performance and reliability far outweigh these minor inconveniences. Overall, the ZAFRO Commercial Dehumidifier is a superior choice for those in need of a heavy-duty solution to humidity control. With its efficient moisture removal, continuous drainage capability, and user-friendly features, it stands out as a top-tier product in its category.